Hello, this is Doug, your friendly property manager. How can I help you? My apartment is flooding! Help! My water heater is broken! Here's Doug relaxing by the pool. My toilet is overflowing! Here's Doug out having fun with friends. My apartment is on fire! I need help! Hi, I'm Bobby from Night Owl, and I'm here to give you your life back. Huh? What do you mean? May I see your phone, please? Doug's Property Management, how can I help you? Wait, if you're answering my phone calls, will I lose control? No, you will never lose control. So how does it work? If the tenant has a problem, the tenant calls the emergency line that forwards directly to Bobby. Bobby qualifies the emergency to ensure the emergency cannot be deferred. Bobby dispatches your vendor and makes sure that only the necessary work is being done. Once Bobby gets off the phone with the tenant, Doug, your friendly property manager, automatically receives an email with the recording of the full conversation so Doug can follow up in the morning. Now Doug, the friendly property manager, has his life back. Doug is happy now that he finally has time to relax. How much is this going to cost me? You won't believe it, but it's free. What's the catch? What's the catch? The catch is that we get to take care of your water, fire, and mold remediation. That's my catch. That's a catch I can totally live with. That's right. No money, no hidden fees, no kickbacks, no terms, just an honest, transparent, and free service. To summarize, Doug forwards their off-hour calls to us at the end of the day. Bobby professionally handles all inbound calls, so Doug can relax by sending emergency help when required. Doug is never charged a penny and never truly signs a binding contract, as Bobby's Night Owl service is free. The call is recorded and emailed to Doug after they hang up. Now that Doug has someone who can take care of his after-hour emergency calls, he finally gets his life back and goes on to live happily ever after.
The end? No, the beginning.